So the XP Glide is our most popular sliding door system. We've been manufacturing and installing it since 2007, but we keep constantly refining it. So new for this year, we've refined the interlock even more, so it's a really slim 20mm sightlines, so it's a beautiful looking door. Available on a twin and triple track. No strict size limitations. It's suitable for locations all around the UK. And there's some really nice hardware options as well, such as our steel bar handles that are available in stainless steel and textured black, or if you prefer, you can have a more subtle lever handles.
In 2025, we've released a new sliding door, which is new to the UK. It's an ultra slim, triple glazed, highly insulating sliding door. It can accommodate 400 kilograms of glass per sash, which is really huge. The showroom example we've got here is 5.9 by 2.5 meters. We split that into just 2 panels. So that's the sort of size and scope you can go to with this system. It creates a real feature of any property.
Within our sliding door range, we have a line of heavy-duty sliding doors, and they're referred to as our lift and slide doors. And the reason why these are different from other sliding doors is that they're actually lifted onto a gearing. So when you engage that handle, rather than relying on you, the homeowner, to move that heavy glass, it's actually moving on a mechanism and on a carrier system, meaning it's easier. Our heavy-duty range of lift and slide doors are great for elderly people or families that are worried about the weight of a sliding door and moving it along. Within the range of sliding doors, we have a slim sightline lift and slide door. The lift and slide mechanism makes the door easier to operate, but it can still have a very slim sightline as long as that's in a 2-panel.